Sorry it took a year, everyone, but it's finally time for the second flag unboxing. So yeah, I'm gonna pause this real quick, and I'm gonna open the first package up. Okay guys, I am back with the Sharpie. I'm gonna censor my address real quick. Yep. Okay, first package. Let's open it. Let's see what's in here. That was surprisingly easy to open. Okay, so what the heck is in here? Okay, something in here. Are you kidding me? A package in a package? Why would you do that to me? Whatever. I guess I'm opening this now. Okay. There better not be another package in here. Ah, there they are. So this is for you, clumsy cuber. California. And yes, it comes off the stick. There it is. So yep, I got California. And then, ta-da! I got New York. This is for you, Cube Melon. I might send a picture of the California flag to Clumsy Cuber, and I think I might send this to Cube Melon. So yep, perfect. This is awesome. Alright, so now it's time for the second package. Alright, so I got this package, so I'm gonna try to open it up. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm gonna need to clean this up. Ah, okay. Perfect. Yep, there it is. So there's two packaged flags in this one. I think I might open this one up first. And this one is the American flag. It doesn't go off the stick, so I'm gonna need to find a way to hang it up. But, you know, for now, it's just, you know, pretty cool. Pretty cool flag. And then the second one, can you guess what it is before I'm done unboxing it? Let's see. You might have heard of the people, but you might have not seen their flag before. But, oops. This is the flag of the Cherokee people. Native American people. The Cherokee people, specifically. Seal of the Cherokee Nation. And then this is the flag of the Cherokee Nation. So yeah, you might have heard of the people, but you might not have seen their flag. So if you haven't seen their flag, well, here you go. I like the shade of orange on it. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm opening up the third package. Oh, wow. What else is in here? Receipt. Nothing else. So this is the final flag for today. I still have a little more coming in the mails, but I'll just put that in Flag Unboxing 3 instead of adding it onto here. Because I wanted to release a flag unboxing this month. Because it's already been a year since I posted my previous one, and I didn't want to keep you guys waiting. So I'm just doing this now. Right, open up. This is the flag of Texas, not to be confused with the flag of Chile. Okay? Do not confuse this with the flag of Chile. But, yeah, Texas has a pretty nice flag, I gotta admit. So this is to all my, this is to my dad, actually, because he's from Texas. So this is to you, Dad. I love you. So yeah, flag of Texas, pretty cool. And, well, that's really it for this video. And I'm gonna hang these up later. So, yep. See you soon.